With its commercial-grade wear layer and Grip-tec backing, Urban Surfaces Looselay flooring is designed for a quick, durable, and minimal adhesive installation. In this demonstration, we'll be using Instagrip's Pismo, a warm, wood-like aesthetic inspired by the beach sands of Central California. Before you begin installing, visit our website to read the complete Looselay installation guide located on our Resources tab. This video will be broken up into 4 steps to maximize your installation success and flooring longevity. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather the necessary materials and tools in order to properly prep your subfloor and install your flooring. You'll need utility knife and/or guillotine, pencil, measuring tape, double-sided adhesive tape, chalk line reel, square, level, and a 75-pound roller. Step 2. Subfloor preparation. Preparing your subfloor is a crucial step to ensure your installation goes smoothly. Making sure they're clean, flat, and as moisture-free as possible. When cleaning, you'll want to make sure all debris and protrusions are swept away, ensuring your surface is as spotless as possible. Using a level, measure the deflection or curvature to ensure the subfloor is level within 3/16 in a 10-foot span. Subfloor should not slope either upward or downward more than ½ an inch per 6-foot span. If it slopes down or has holes, fill it in with a Portland-based self-leveler. If it slopes upward, use a concrete grinder to level it out. The versatility of Looselay gives you the option of installing with only minimal adhesive in residential settings with full spread capability for commercial environments. If you intend to do a full spread adhesive, we recommend coating your subfloor with Taylor Universal Primer to prevent overabsorption of adhesive. ASTM standard F710 requires moisture and pH tests to ensure your concrete substrate is suitable for installation. Moisture test results must not exceed 85% RH or 8 pounds per 1,000 square foot over 24 hours. pH must result between 5 and 9 to avoid alkali damage. Refer to the installation guide document to determine if your subfloor has been prepared properly. Step 3. Installation preparation. Once your subfloor is ready, it's time to plan the installation. To determine how much flooring is necessary for your project, find the area of the room by multiplying both the length and width of the space. Then divide the area by the square feet provided on the box. This will give you an idea of approximately how many boxes you will need for the installation. Urban Surfaces recommends ordering between 5 to 10% more material to account for cutting waste. While staging the boxes, check to make sure the batch numbers match to ensure a seamless installation. Acclimate the boxes in the installation environment for 48 hours, recommended at a temperature between 65 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. For a successful and seamless installation, setting up guidelines for both the adhesive and the flooring will be important. First, select an adhesive pattern appropriate to both the size of the project and level of foot traffic to be expected. The adhesive pattern we'll be using for this demonstration is the diamond-shaped method. Next, you'll need to determine the placement of the guideline for the starting row, taking into consideration the width of the edge rows. The edge rows are the first and last rows closest to the starting wall. They account for wall deviation and must not be shorter than 3 inches on both sides. Once guidelines are determined, set the starting row using a chalk line reel. For the adhesive pattern, diagonally snap your chalk every 2 feet starting from the longest wall in a 45-degree angle. Step 4. Flooring installation. Once you complete the first 3 steps, you're now ready to begin installing your Urban Surfaces Looselay flooring. To create a more organic look, pull planks from multiple boxes separating the floor by pattern. Begin by laying strips of double-sided adhesive tape around the perimeter of the room. Following the adhesive pattern, place bands of adhesive tape 4 inches wide along the grid until complete. Next, begin your starting row by laying your first plank against the wall along the guideline. Following the guideline is essential to ensure the installation remains square to the room. To finish the starting row, the last plank will need to be cut to size. Using a pencil, mark the plank at the appropriate length. Then score the top of the plank twice with a utility knife using a square to ensure a straight cut, then cut once more for a clean separation. If available, a guillotine may also be used for a quick precision cut. Repeat this process until you meet your edge row. For the edge row, determine the appropriate width and then modify the planks accordingly. To do this, lay the planks for your edge row on top of the starting row, trace a line across these planks using a loose piece of flooring, and cut. Install the planks for the edge row against the wall, making sure they are nice and snug, leaving no expansion gaps. Upon completing the installation, use a 75 to 100 pounds roller to secure the flooring. Clean your planks, and you've just successfully finished your installation of Urban Surfaces Looselay flooring. Thank you for choosing Urban Surfaces as your modern flooring solution. For more information, visit our website at urbansurfaces.com, follow us on social media, or call us at 1-800-492-8722. We look forward to hearing from you.